I've been getting a lot of questions and comments about these shoes here, and people asking me to do a review on them. The Vans slip-on toe cap. That's what they're labeled as, Vans slip-on toe cap. Very self-explanatory to what the shoe is because it is a Vans slip-on with a toe cap. They skate just like any other Vans Pro slip-on. The only difference is that they have this toe cap. So that's the only added feature to this compared to a Vans slip-on Pro, which I've done a review on those already. That was like a year and a half ago. That video's old. So I'm not gonna go into like every detail with that. I'm just gonna specifically talk about the toe cap, and I'm gonna talk about the insoles because the insoles I think have improved since then. They've added this new insole called Ultra Cush Light 3D. So let's talk about that first. What that is this. Now it has a plastic molding around the heel in order for it to form to your heel properly, and this is like added cushioning right here to prevent heel bruise. Extra support and extra impact protection. These are canvas. I prefer skating canvas because I like the way canvas breaks in. I do not like the way suede breaks in because suede tends to stretch out and get floppy. Canvas wears down quicker, but it breaks in a lot better in my opinion. So with this shoe, even though these are canvas, since they have this toe cap around the outside, it obviously gives you more life in the shoe, but it also affects your flicking and flip tricks of the board. So you really have to break this in at first, because at first it's gonna really grab a hold of your board and it's gonna wanna stick to it. If you've ever just skated slip-ons or like just Converse All-Stars, it's kind of the same thing, but that intensified because you have all this extra rubber up here that you gotta break in and it just sticks to the grip tape. But once they break in, it flicks so nicely. Once this is all smoothed out, you don't even feel it. It stops grabbing and it stops sticking, and it flicks, in my opinion, much better. So it leaves like a longer lasting sole on the shoe. See here how the sides of the shoe like wear down into the sole? This prevents that from happening. So not only is the performance better in the shoe with the toe cap, but the life is a little bit longer as well because it has that extra protection. But other than that, yeah, pretty simple basic slip-on shoe. It's got your board feel and durability, but it's not as durable as like some shoes since being it is a low profile shoe and it is a slip-on. I prefer shoes like this just because I've kind of always skated shoes like this, so that's what I'm used to. Other than the Vans Ultra Range, I do really like that shoe. That is a more high-tech shoe. I've made several videos about that shoe as well. Just like any other Vans shoe, the bottom, the waffle sole lasts a really long time. I never have a problem blowing through the bottom of Vans shoes, to be honest. If you like skating slip-ons, you like low profile shoes, I would say these are definitely a step up from the regular slip-on Pro, as well as the slip-on. Hey, Jason. Yo, what are we doing here right now? Where are we? What's up?
The most insane thing you've ever seen on this YouTube channel.
Okay, yeah. Enough of that bullshit. What are we?
I just want to hype it up a little bit.
All right, go ahead. What are we doing?
We've been trying to go to the sand dunes for like months, but what's the second best thing than sand dunes? Man-made sand dunes. Now we're here.
Yo, but what's the situation though? Tell us what the situation is.
Okay, the situation, buddy. What is this? This is my channel or what?
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, it's not man-made.
Oh. Damn, that's sick.
Okay, well, yeah, we just found out that it is the last standing non-man-made sand dune.
Wow, now I look like an idiot.
Yeah, you look like an idiot. It's a national treasure, apparently. So there's like 6 employees standing over there. Apparently you gotta pay to do this kind of thing. Jason here doesn't have any money, so he's not gonna pay to do it.
Hey, I'm not monetized, dude.
Yeah, I got demonetized last night. We're gonna go up to the top. There's a road that leads up there. We're gonna scope it out, see if we can hop the fence and let Jason ride his little butt down it.
Why I gotta do it? Now I'm scared.
This is why we're here.
Nah, let's go back home.
All right. What's up, bro? You gonna do this or what?
Yes, I'm nervous, I'm scared. They can't see how big it is from this angle.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really do it any justice at all, but...
Yeah, watching we switch angle right now.
What, you're just gonna hop this fence and do it?
Exactly, bro. Look. I went snowboarding before, and it was like hills like this, so maybe it's the same. Hopefully I just don't get stuck, bro. That's gonna fucking be whack as fuck. Imagine I go on there, I just fucking... and nothing happens.
It's gonna be the worst. Jason is right there, as you can see. He's just gonna go for it. Hopefully it works. Didn't even work. I don't think it's working. I think it just failed. I think he just failed. I don't think it's working. That was a complete and utter failure. Did not work whatsoever.
It was so much fun. It went so fast. It went so much faster than I thought. It was so sick. Terrible fucking suck. I had my hopes up, you know. Sometimes it goes well, sometimes it don't. Can I tell you? Now I'm just...
All the leaves are brown, and the sky.
Dude, you're being very cynical right now, bro.
What the fuck is this? Oh, I put this blanket on.
Put it on, dipwad.
Jason's got a fat suit, so I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna skate in it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be cool, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Like and comment and subscribe, guys. Hey, guys. All right, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome to my channel. Oh, hey, guys.
fucking losing it right now.
Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Hey, guys.
There's nothing new, though. You're stressing me out, bro.
Bro, shut the fuck up. I'm talking to you. Just kidding. I've been lazy all day today. Skated super hard yesterday.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. What an asshole. How dare you doubt me? I had to do a bunch of stuff in the morning, like change my oil and a bunch of adult stuff. So, boy, am I tired. That's how you know that's how you know you're getting old.
Boy, am I tired.
How do I put this shit on?
I don't know. I'm ready to go, bro. I don't know about you.
Where's the front? Where's the back?
That's what she said.
I don't just feel like skating today. I don't feel like doing anything. Nothing is motivating me. The only thing that's motivating me is this fat suit. Alright, I hope you guys did not have a stressful day out there on the internet. Hopefully my stress in this video is enough for your stress for the rest of the week. Come back next week. If you don't want to watch this video, I really understand. Alright, how do you turn this on?
Turn it on from the little pouch.
I mean, it's on. I look like a fucking Oompa Loompa.
Put it in your pocket, you fucking
did put it in my
dipwad.
pocket.
Wait, turn it on first. Put it on your fucking collar on for you, baby boy.
Ow, dude. Fuck. I'm sunburned.
The Velcro's not sticking.
I'm fucking sunburned. Dude, I'm fucking sunburned. What an asshole. There's a kid over there and he made me swear.
Oh shit, we broke it already, remember?
Did you actually?
It needs super glue.
Where?
The thing that inflates for the air is coming
No,
off.
it's easy fix. This will be always do this.
Why isn't it going?
I'm telling you, dipwad.
Do you have duct tape? I don't give a fuck, dude. I'm the real YouTuber. We need duct tape, dude.
우주가 생긴 그날부터 계속 무한의 세기를 넘어서.
Hey, do you have duct tape?
Duct tape?
Yeah.
I think I might actually.
Are you serious? Oh my god, it's amazing. Hey man, if you need something, just ask, you know? Don't be afraid to ask for help. Love it. Jason, he's got some. Yeah, let's tape this in. What's your name?
Blue.
Dale.
What are you guys doing?
We're filming a video. I'm gonna try and skate in this fat suit.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Just wrap it all around his ass, okay?
Yeah. Dude, see? He knows what's up.
This is really nice duct tape.
Thank God we have some content today.
Pop the molly, I'm stressing. Woo!
Alright, bro, don't fuck this up, alright?
The Velcro.
Don't, dude. I literally have sunburn. That hurts.
Dude, you have a red ass neck. Show your fans.
Stop.
Why are you just like so insecure about it?
No, it hurts. I'm afraid you're gonna smack it.
I would never do that, bro.
Yeah, right.
I treat women with respect, you know?
Alright, we're gonna go to the skate park and we're gonna shred. We're gonna skate.
Alright, big boy. Let's hit it.
Gang shit. Hey, wait, check out my ass.
That's what I get for sexual harassment. I can't see anything.
Before we go, I'm gonna let you guys know, again, the new Slammin' items are in the description below. And I'm thinking about doing another pop-up in the fall. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would like me to do that, if you guys would come, if you're in the Southern California area. The Summer Slammin' stuff is only gonna be up for just a little bit more longer. A lot of it is already sold out, so get it while you can. Jason from Future Mob started a new channel, you guys. That link is in the description below, so make sure you go check that out. He's gonna be making a video on soon why he made his own channel and why he wanted to focus on just doing content for his own channel. So he will be able to fill you in on that. There's no beef or anything. He just wanted his own channel. And I think the other Jason has his own channel as well. His link is in the description below. So make sure to go check it out and subscribe and watch his videos. Thank you. Bye.